Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day to lose weight when I'm short on time. So I always start my day with water and drink it throughout the day. It's a natural appetite suppressant. It burns calories, removes waste, hydrates, burns fat, and helps reduce overall calorie intake. Sometimes I do go to Starbucks and treat myself to a cafe misto. I get mine with oat milk, sugar-free vanilla, and a splash of almond milk. This is the lowest in calorie and carbs. You can order there. Then I did for breakfast because I just did not have time. I went ahead and did some kale and mushroom egg bites. And I love these because they're full of protein and they're pretty low in calories. They're quick and easy, and you can see I murdered mine. Today was really busy. I had to film, so this was all I had time for. Now for lunch, I decided to do a Green Chef meal. It is a meal kit service, and I have tried a bunch of these, but I always come back to Green Chef, and I like it because they have different plans that, fit your lifestyle. So you can even do keto and paleo, or you can do plant powered. They're all featuring hand-picked high quality and organic ingredients. I love that you can enjoy fresh, organic, and seasonal ingredients through Green Chef's delicious recipes. Green Chef is actually the #1 best meal kit for living a healthy lifestyle. So this is perfect for my weight loss goals. It makes it a lot easier to maintain healthy habits with wholesome and delicious recipes every week from Green Chef. And I love that it is very quick and convenient. They give you all the ingredients that you need, and also they give a time frame of how long it's going to take on the recipe. So today I picked the really quick option to make, and it took me 20-25 minutes. That was literally all I had between everything that I had to do. So I actually really love Green Chef. It looks like I made a gourmet meal, and it's really healthy, and it's actually really tasty too. Definitely check out Green Chef. You can use my code CiarahoneyFIT30 to get $130 off across 4 boxes, including free shipping on your first box. Additional restrictions apply, so see greenchef.com/terms for more details. So yeah, I was able to get that made super quick and enjoy it while also getting some work done. As you can see, this is how I'm able to stick to my plan during really busy days. After editing for a couple hours, I got a little bit hungry and somewhat of a sweet tooth, so I did my protein shake. I've talked about this before, but I just do a cup of almond milk, some ice, peanut butter or almond butter, half a banana, and a scoop of protein, and it is so yummy. It tastes like a milkshake. So for dinner, I didn't have time to cook again, so I just did takeout, and I did sushi, edamame, octopus, sashimi, and nigiri, and I did a crawfish roll in a California roll. Again, this was a busy work day and I didn't have any time, but this was a great way to have a healthy dinner and even leftovers for tomorrow. I edited some more until bed, and that was my day. So if you're like me and you have health or weight loss goals, but you don't have a lot of time, I hope this was helpful and gave you some inspiration and ideas to stay on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.